Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we will try to learn about addition command in Allen-Bradley PLC with the help of Rockwell software. Before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's start. First of all, I will open that bit. I will use one bit, for example here this bit I will use. And for example this I will give the name T4 colon 0 T4 colon 0 T4 colon 0 and second we will take one timer TON timer T T4 colon 0 slash 0 1 second timer, and here we will give the value, for example 5 or 6, any we can, no problem, we can 60 seconds we will get, no problem, 60 seconds. Because of this, how it's working, when this is enabling and after this close contact continue giving the signal, and after this value will be continues running in this timer. And next we will choose that compare, and that yeah, this is the addition, and this is addition command, choose. And here I give the data register name n7 colon 0 and source B, no sorry, this I will choose timer T T4 colon 0 T4 colon 0 dot ECC, and the source B n7 colon 0, and the set value we will take that n7 colon 2, for example take, and check it, compile first. This is he say the must be specified the element level. Zero dot ACC. Also not okay. Also not okay. Enable T4 colon 0, and this is the 1 second timer, and total time we will put it 60. After 60 seconds it will continuously continue reset, and let's this will we will be download to the PLC, and let's check. Here we have make one mistake, go offline, and here we have to make done. For example, this again download to the PLC because of we need the counting, and after we have to be check in our next data registers for addition command. See, now this close contact of this timer when we're using for done, yani when means enable done, enable done, enable done. After this will giving the continuously value, and we preset value will we gives the 60 seconds, and this when 60 complete, after this will be again start from 0. And now what's the purpose of this timer may have to be used, this addition command we have to, I like to be explain addition command, how we can use the addition command in the programs. And see, for example, this source A is our T4 colon 0, and source B is our set point value, which point we would like to addition in this timer. After this value we like to be see here. For example, I will write it here 2, for example, simply. Just see now 60 after 2 how much answer 6. For example, this is start from, this is 12, 12, 15 to, maybe you need after no not little understand. See, this will be continuously giving the addition and shows values to an hour and 7 colon 2. But it's, I think so it's hard to learn you. First I will go offline back, and I will use this one counter, leave this one timer. First we will use this counter. After you better understand where is timer counter. This is the timer counter, timer on delay. This is, no sorry, counter we have to be used, timer already we have, we have to be used counter CTU. And this also we will take binary bit or I 0 dot I. If you continuously forget, you can select it from here. And here we will give the value C5 colon 0, and preset value, for example, we give 90, no problem. And that's here also we will choose C5 colon 0 dot ACC, and this I will download to the PLC. Because of this value is continuously running, after you can't understand addition command what's the function. Addition command also same look like a calculator. When you giving, for example, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 15 plus 15 30. So this value, oh this also we choose wrong, this we have to be choose and download, because we need to give the signal to our counter. After our value will be increased here in the addition command, and after we will take the answer in N7 colon 2. See, now 5 colon counter is now 0 value. When we giving the value at counter, it will be count, and this value we have to be set. For example, 5 I will put, and this continuously this value counter, and this n7 colon 0, and answer we will get in n7 colon 2. I give one signal, for example, see 1 plus 5 how much? 6. 2 plus 5 7. 3 plus 5 8. 4 plus 5 9. 5 plus 5 10. So same like when your value is from counter or timer or any from analog, which from where you this value when you reading the in the field, after when you use this command addition, after you can get the value in the next data register, and that next data register you can use in the program as per your own logic. When you creating the logic, use this command as per on your logic. Basically this is look like a calculator command addition, how much value you take and which value you make it set point. For example 2 3 5, any value when you like to be added in the and any raw value, after you can get answer in next data register. This is n7 colon 2 after you get value, and this value you can use in the program. This is many types of methods have using value, for example in analog value or any timing value, what anyhow how much you like to addition in any value, you can use this command. So I hope you understand about this command, how we can use the addition command in Allen-Bradley PLC. If you not understand anything, please send me the message comment section. I will give you a feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.